Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and begin question 7 of the top 200 hearing questions, Social Security disability hearing questions that you're likely to hear while you're in the hot seat. Number 7, are you homeless or with a dwelling? This is a good introduction question because it kind of breaks the whole, okay, so what economic person are we dealing with here? Are we dealing with somebody who's had a bunch of jobs and then lost them? Are we dealing with somebody who, didn't have many jobs throughout their life? If they're homeless, how long have they been homeless? That it opens up the can of worms into that. If homeless, it also kind of tells us more about, hey, what about cooking, cleaning? It limits our questions in that regard. We're still going to want to know how many steps to get to their homeless camp. Do they have propane little, camp heated system? Or do they have something that's like a little stove? What do they have in there? How do they get it in there? We're still going to want to know that. But then we get to the whole, okay, or with the dwelling. What kind of dwelling? Is this dwelling something where basically, you live on the second floor? What about the third floor? What about the fourth floor? Do you have an elevator or is there no elevator? Do you have a back problem, spine issue, knee issue, weight-bearing joints issue? Then we want to know about, okay, well, how do you afford this home? How do you afford this dwelling? How do you afford this apartment? Oh, I have student loans. Cool. What kind of school program are you in? Are you in college? Oh, I have somebody supporting me. Cool. Is this a boyfriend? Is this somebody else? Are you doing a job on the side? Are you prostituting? What are you doing? So it's one of those gigs where we want to know what type of dwelling you have. So that's what we mean by are you homeless or with a dwelling. This is our open up a can of worms option to figure out how you afford, where do you live, what functions do you do. If you're homeless, we're not going to ask a bunch of questions about cleaning. We're going to ask, do you pick up around your campsite? That's about it. But if you're with a dwelling, vacuuming, dusting, all kind of wipe things, whatever, all things that could be potentials. That's what we're looking into. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. If you want the most up-to-date information, or you have a unique question about a unique claim, or you want a custom video made, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, every Thursday, 8 to 10, I go live Eastern Standard, and I can go ahead and basically check in with you, and we can run through questions and things like that. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Catch you a little bit later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.